The Audi City Bus is an exciting concept that shows a new vision for public transportation. Designed by Daniel Platek and Artur Gaka, this bus is fully electric and can drive itself, making city travel easier and more efficient. It's connected to a network of other buses so they can communicate, avoid traffic jams, and keep passengers moving smoothly through busy streets. Inside, the Audi City Bus is designed for comfort and convenience. There's plenty of seating and standing space, and large windows let passengers enjoy the view while traveling. The interior feels open, airy, and inviting, creating a relaxing ride that's far more enjoyable than traditional buses. Every detail is focused on making city commuting easier, faster, and more comfortable for everyone. This concept bus isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about rethinking urban travel. By combining electric power, autonomous driving, and smart connectivity, it reduces pollution, noise, and stress for passengers. The Audi City Bus offers a glimpse into the future of public transportation, showing how technology can make city travel safer, cleaner, and more efficient. It's a bold, innovative design that could transform the way we move around cities, offering a smarter, more enjoyable experience for everyone on board. The Berlier T100 is remembered as one of the biggest and most powerful trucks ever built. When it was first shown at the Paris Motor Show in 1957, it was so huge, over 103 tons, that a special pavilion had to be built just to display it because the main hall couldn't hold it. This French giant wasn't just for show. It was designed for the toughest jobs, like hauling heavy equipment through the Sahara Desert and working at uranium mining sites. Under its massive hood sat a 29.6-liter Cummins V12 engine that produced a mighty 700 horsepower. Steering such a huge machine was no easy task, so engineers added a separate panhard motor just to power the steering system. In 1962, one of these trucks was even fitted with a gas turbine as an experiment, but it was quickly dropped because the fuel consumption was far too high. Custom Project 6600 LB. The Custom Project 6600 LB is a masterpiece created by Krug Expedition, where a tough Mercedes-Benz Arocs 3353A was completely rebuilt into a luxury motorhome. This all-wheel drive beast is made to conquer the hardest routes, yet it feels like a cozy house on wheels when it's time to rest. What makes it special is the comfort-packed design. It has not one, but two kitchens. An outdoor sliding kitchen with an induction cooktop, perfect for cooking in the fresh air, and an indoor kitchen with an oven for making bigger meals. It even includes a washing machine, so travelers can always keep clothes clean on long adventures. After driving all day, there's a proper shower and a separate toilet waiting inside, making it feel just like home. To ensure comfort in any weather, the truck comes with heating, two air conditioners, and even an electric staircase for easy access. Whether you're exploring remote places or relaxing at a campsite, this truck offers everything you need. The Custom Project 6600 LB is the perfect mix of strength and comfort, proving that adventure doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. It's truly built for travelers who want to go anywhere without giving up home-style living. The Dabian is one of the wildest and most unbelievable off-road vehicles ever created. Designed by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan, also known as the Rainbow Sheikh, this giant 10-wheeled machine looks more like a moving fortress than a car. Built from a military Oshkosh truck and combined with a Jeep Wrangler cabin, the Dabian stands out as a true symbol of extravagance and creativity. Weighing around 24 tons, it carries a monstrous 15.2-liter Caterpillar diesel engine that delivers 600 horsepower, the same kind of power you'd normally find in huge bulldozers. This isn't a vehicle made for daily driving or city roads. Instead, it was built to dominate the desert. Its enormous size and raw strength allow it to cruise smoothly over sand dunes, making it a true desert beast. While many critics point out its impracticality, poor visibility, and massive fuel consumption, those details don't matter to its creator. For Sheikh Hamad, The Dabian is about turning wild dreams into reality, proving that cars can be more than transportation. They can be works of art. Wherever it appears, the Dabian commands attention, showing that in the world of off-road machines, nothing compares to this desert giant. The DSD Transport Truck is a true story of transformation and passion on wheels. This 2003 Peterbilt 379, owned by Don Wood of the DSD Transport Fleet, started out as a regular lease truck with nothing flashy about it. Over time, Don gave it a complete overhaul that turned it into something truly special. Today, it stands out with a brand new dashboard, a stylish flat spoiler, and a bold custom paint job that makes it shine wherever it goes. It's not just about looks either. The truck is equipped with a quick-draw tarp system, a Mack flatbed, and plenty of features that make long hauls more comfortable and efficient. What once was just a workhorse for the road has now become both a reliable machine and a show-stopping beauty. Its hard work and unique style were recognized in 2021 when it took first place in its class at the Walcott Trucker Jamboree, one of the biggest truck shows around. Electric trucks are becoming a big part of the future of transport, and Siemens, together with Scania, have created an amazing hybrid electric truck that works almost like a trolley bus. Instead of relying only on fuel, this truck gets its power from special overhead wires through a two-wire contact system. Tests are already happening on a 1.2-mile stretch of road in Sweden, and another test track is being prepared near Los Angeles. The idea itself isn't brand new, but it could be a game changer for the future. Experts believe that by 2050, road cargo transport could increase by up to 200%, which would make fuel much more expensive and cause even more damage to the environment. This is where electric trucks can help by cutting down emissions and reducing fuel costs. The truck uses a pantograph, a smart connector that attaches to the power lines. What makes it even more practical is that if the driver needs to overtake another vehicle, they can simply use the turn signal, and the pantograph will disconnect automatically. The truck then switches to its own electric motor to pass smoothly. This flexible, eco-friendly design shows how trucking can move toward a cleaner future. E-Tech T. The Renault E-Tech T is a big step forward in the world of electric trucks, showing how powerful and comfortable modern transport can be. Compared to earlier models, it now offers a much better range, up to 600 kilometers on a single charge, an increase from the previous 400 kilometers. This means drivers can travel longer distances with fewer charging stops, making it practical for serious road trips and heavy-duty work. But the E-Tech T is not just about performance. It's also designed to keep drivers comfortable during long hours on the road. The cabin feels like a modern lounge, with ergonomic seats that reduce tiredness, an easy-to-use digital dashboard, and a smart climate control system that keeps the temperature just right. One of the biggest differences from diesel trucks is the quietness. The E-Tech T runs smoothly and silently, creating an experience that feels more like riding in a luxury car than a heavy-duty truck. With its mix of advanced technology, eco-friendly electric power, and driver-focused design, the Renault E-Tech T proves that the future of trucking is clean, efficient, and enjoyable. It's a truck built for both work and comfort, redefining long-distance driving. Evo Cargo Evo.1. The Evo Cargo Evo.1 is a powerful and reliable cargo truck built for modern transportation needs. Designed to handle heavy loads efficiently, it combines strength, comfort, and smart features, making it a top choice for businesses on the move. Its robust engine ensures that even the heaviest cargo is transported smoothly and on time. The truck's fuel-efficient design helps save money and reduces environmental impact, while advanced suspension and handling keep every journey stable and safe, even on long hauls. The driver's cabin is built for comfort and convenience. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a next-level luxury motorhome that turns travel into a five-star experience. Combining style, technology, and comfort, it's designed for people who want the freedom of the open road without giving up modern conveniences. Step inside, and it feels more like a floating home than a vehicle. The spacious living area, modern kitchen, cozy bedroom, and sleek bathroom are all built with high-quality materials and smart design. Big windows let in sunlight and stunning views, making the interior feel bright and open. Every feature is designed for ease and comfort, from climate control to ergonomic furniture, so travelers can relax, work, or entertain effortlessly. On the road, the Elysium performs smoothly thanks to its powerful and efficient engine. It handles highways and rougher paths with stability and control. Energy-saving features like solar panels and smart power management make it eco-friendly, while advanced connectivity keeps you linked wherever you go. The Furrion Elysium isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. It combines luxury, adventure, and technology, letting you travel far and wide in comfort and style. With this motorhome, exploring the world becomes a seamless, enjoyable, and unforgettable experience. Fuso Bus Concept. The Fuso Bus Concept is a futuristic take on public transportation, designed to make city travel smarter, cleaner, and more comfortable. This modern bus combines advanced technology with eco-friendly design, showing what the future of commuting could look like. Inside, the bus is spacious and passenger-friendly. There's plenty of seating and standing room, making boarding easy and travel comfortable. Smart layouts, interactive displays, and real-time route updates keep passengers informed and entertained during every ride. Even small details are designed for convenience, making city travel smoother for everyone. The Fuso Bus Concept is fully electric, cutting down on emissions and reducing noise, making it a greener option for urban areas. Its aerodynamic shape and energy-efficient systems help it cover longer distances using less power, showing how sustainable design can work without compromising performance. With its sleek, modern look and smart features, the Fuso Bus Concept isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of future urban mobility. It combines comfort, technology, and environmental responsibility in one package, proving that public transportation can be efficient, enjoyable, and eco-friendly. The Futuria is more than just a truck. It's a true luxury home on wheels, built for those who want to travel in complete style and comfort. Unlike ordinary motorhomes, this incredible vehicle is designed like a moving villa, packed with unique features that make it stand out. On the roof, it even has a swimming pool where you can relax and enjoy the view. Inside, you'll find a stylish living room, a comfortable bedroom, and even a bright solarium to soak up the sunlight. One of its most exciting highlights is the built-in garage at the back, made to carry a sports car. To make it even more eye-catching, the garage has a stunning mirror ceiling, giving it a modern and luxurious vibe. Under the hood, the Futuria is powered by a 3.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine that delivers up to 170 horsepower, which is strong enough to move this massive luxury home with ease. The Hyundai HDC6 Neptune is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered heavy-duty truck, first shown in 2019 to highlight Hyundai's leadership in fuel cell technology. This Class 8 truck, the biggest type of heavy-duty truck in North America, runs on a hydrogen fuel cell that powers its electric motors. Unlike regular diesel trucks, it produces zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for long-distance transport. What makes the HDC6 Neptune stand out is its impressive range. On a single tank of hydrogen, it can travel up to 800 kilometers, 500 miles, making it perfect for long-haul trucking. Refueling is also fast and convenient, taking just a few minutes, similar to filling a traditional diesel truck. This means drivers can spend more time on the road and less time refueling, without compromising efficiency. The truck combines cutting-edge technology with the strength and performance needed for heavy-duty work. It shows how hydrogen fuel cells can be a real alternative to diesel, offering both environmental benefits and reliability. Overall, the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune is the future of trucking. With its zero emissions, long-range capability, quick refueling, and powerful performance, it proves that sustainable technology and heavy-duty trucking can go hand in hand. Hyundai Trailer Drone, The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a groundbreaking concept that could completely change the way we transport goods. This fully autonomous, hydrogen-powered system can move trailers on its own, producing zero emissions while maximizing efficiency. Hyundai designed it with a modular approach, so each trailer drone can operate independently, making long-distance shipping easier, faster, and cleaner. Each trailer drone can travel up to 1,000 kilometers on a single hydrogen charge, perfect for long-haul logistics. Smart AI. The Iron Knight by Volvo is a truck like no other, built not for heavy loads, but for pure speed and performance. This incredible machine was designed to break world records and prove that even trucks can compete with race cars when it comes to speed. During a 1,640-foot sprint, the Iron Knight reached an average speed of 80 miles per hour in less than 14 seconds, which is an amazing feat for such a massive vehicle. On a longer 3,281-foot run, it pushed even further, clocking an average speed of 105 miles per hour and completing the race in just 21.29 seconds. The thrilling record attempts took place on an abandoned airfield in northern Sweden, creating the perfect stage for this beast of a truck to show its true power. Unlike the usual heavy-duty trucks we see on highways, the Iron Knight was built as a racing model, combining a lightweight design with an extremely powerful engine. Everything about it, from its engineering to its aerodynamics, was created to deliver maximum speed. It's not just about muscle, but also precision and innovation. The Iron Knight proves that trucks can be just as exciting, fast, and breathtaking as supercars. It's truly a racing legend on wheels. The IVECO Z Truck is a groundbreaking concept built for the future of long-distance transport. It's designed to be fully sustainable, using green energy and advanced technology to achieve zero emissions. By combining improved aerodynamics, waste heat recovery, and liquefied natural gas powered by biomethane, this truck produces almost no CO2, making it a clean and eco-friendly solution for heavy-duty hauling. Safety and efficiency are also at the heart of the design. The Z Truck uses active and preventive systems to aim for zero accidents, while its autonomous driving features reduce driver stress and fatigue. The cab is fully flexible, allowing the driver to switch between manual driving, automated driving, working, or resting. This setup maximizes comfort, productivity, and convenience on long trips, making the truck feel like a mobile office or living space. With its innovative design, the IVECO Z Truck goes beyond traditional trucking. It's not just about moving cargo. It's about rethinking how trucks can protect the environment, support drivers, and improve efficiency on the road. By combining zero emissions, smart safety features, and a driver-focused interior, it sets a new standard for sustainable and futuristic transportation, showing that heavy-duty trucks can be powerful, safe, and environmentally friendly all at once.